Namaste, myself Dr. K.K. Chaudhary, Faculty of Education and Methodology, Jyoti Vidyapeeth, Women University, Jaipur. My subject is Pedagogy of Biology, and today we will discuss about the field trip. The term field trip has been known for decades in many sectors, and it is a common term used in worldwide schools. It seems that a field trip is a favorite part of both teacher and students who are keen on learning and discovering. So, what is a field trip in education? A field trip or excursion is a journey taken by a group of people to a place away from their usual environment. In education, field trips are defined as visit to an outside area of the normal classroom and made by a teacher and student for purpose of first-hand observation. Field trip can be expressed in many terminologies. People call educational trip or school tour. Field trips are a popular method carried out for students to introduce to the concept, experiences and ideas that cannot be given in classroom environment. School tour can be considered as short-term learning activity providing students the opportunity to observe their chosen subject outside of a classroom setting, exploring other culture and customs, getting to the motherland of languages, uncovering pristine nature and experiencing fascinating local life are striking demonstration of educational school trips. Then there are certain types of the field trips. Those listed field trip idea that help to clear field trip meaning. Efficient educational tour can spark student imagination, give them valuable experiences, and refresh their mind after a day with pencil and papers. A school tour can be themed with one type of field trip or combined by various school trip ideas. The first is sightseeing field trip. Students are definitely eager the most to sightseeing school trip, enchanting them by a myriad of appealing attractions in their wish destination. Admire well-known attractions, explore historic structure, discover World Heritage sites, unwind on spectacular landscape, and freshen in front of scenic vista are incredible activities that gain huge interest from students and strongly inspire them. Second is the language and culture educational field trip. For students learning four languages, field trips are very important and helpful to improve the language and explore the alluring indigenous culture. Join immersive activities, stay at local homestay, take language lesson and visit local market, enable the student to practice the language, get a deeper understanding of local culture and their captivating paces of life. Then third is the gardening and farming field trips. This might be an interesting activity, attract a lot of student attentions thanks to its strangeness to their usual life. Discover specialty farm that grow the normal crop and even irregular crop will surprise curious students. Learn how vegetables are produced, explore and give a try to do traditional farming technique of local people, leave a memorable experience for students. Manufacturing facility field trip. Students can be guided to any factory where equipment, cars, tool, packaging or any other things are made. The mechanized facility and assembly lines are interesting for students to learn about the production process, how raw material are utilized and how workers use them to make the final product. Next is the eco adventure field trip. Discover the natural world is a highly important perspective in the educational sector. Students can be entertained and refreshed by trekking through untouched natural beauties to inspect local plant life and wildlife animals. This opportunity also adds to local historical factor such as early life remnants. Then last is the business educational tour. Take business study trip. Your student will be delighted by bustling financial and business centers. Business study trip help process business theories in the classroom into life as student explore great commercial organization. Business field trip gives student the chance to immerse in stimulating and dynamic environments. Visit a range of famed organizations and large corporations will perfect business school trips. These are the different field trips and all about the field trips. This session is powered by Digital version 2.0 Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women University. Hope you are satisfied with my digital session. If you have any query, please mention in the comment box. I will resolve it. Thank you. Thank you very much.